Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video I'll show you this very nice cordless rotary tool. This one I have here is from the company TACKLIFE. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. You can adjust the speed from 5,000 RPM all the way to 30,000 RPM. It also comes with a set of accessories, so it's ready for use right out of the box. Here's the box this tool comes in. And they've included a nice carrying case. User manual. AC charger. Rotary tool accessory kit. Shoot attachment. And there's a cordless rotary tool. I want to give you a side-by-side look of the regular AC powered one compared to the cordless one. As you can see, the overall size is about the same. So let's start by looking at the sticker on the side. The model number is RTD02DC. The voltage is 8 volt. Now inside the tool, there's a 2 amp hour 8 volt lithium ion rechargeable battery. You can set the speed of this rotary tool between 5,000 to 30,000 RPM, and the speed can be adjusted using the minus and plus button right here. There's an LED indicator below that to tell you the speed. As you can see, this is marked 5, 15, 20, 25, 30. So you can set it between 5,000 RPM to 30,000 RPM. Above the plus and minus button is a battery charge indicator. To turn on this tool, slide the switch forward. The battery indicator tells you it's 75% charged. The speed is set to 20,000 RPM. If I decrease this 5,000 RPM, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, 30,000 RPM. To turn it off, slide the switch down. Use the included 9 volt 1 amp charger. Now to plug this in, you do need to lift up this hook and then plug in the connector and then plug this into your AC outlet. Depending on how low the battery is, charge time is about 2 to 3 hours. One thing to note, whilst charging, you cannot turn on the tool. Let me show you what comes in this accessory box. Cutoff wheel. Buffing pad. There are 10 of these sanding bands. Stainless steel brush. A wrench. The shank for the sanding bands. Diamond cutting wheel. There are a bunch of these aluminum oxide grinding wheels. Drill bit. Diamond grinding needle. Mandrel for the buffing wheel. And the mandrel for the cutoff wheels. Let me demonstrate how to use some of these attachments. First thing you want to do is put on your protective eyewear. Here I'll be using the sanding band to sand this piece of wood. Place this mandrel into this collet. Press and hold the spindle lock button and tighten this. To tighten down the sanding band so it doesn't move around, tighten the flip screw at the end. Now secured. Turn it on. Set the speed. When you're done, to remove the attachment, press a button, loosen this, and you can remove this. Here I'll use this fiberglass cutoff wheel to cut the screw in half. Now for this, you want to install the shield. This shield will protect you in case the cutoff wheel shatters. First, install the mandrel. Next, remove the screw. There are 2 washers on this. Take one off. Install the cutoff wheel. Put the washer back on. And then screw this onto the end. Turn on. Next, I'll use this diamond wheel to cut the seashell. You can use a stainless steel brush to clean rust. With a rotary tool, there are many accessories you can get. So here I have a little mini saw. I'll use it to cut this ABS plastic. As you can see, this TACKLIFE cordless rotary tool is very capable. It's able to handle all the tasks that a regular AC powered rotary tool can do. Even though it only has an 8 volt 2 amp hour lithium ion battery, it has plenty of power to handle everyday use. I really like the convenience and the portability of this tool. You can use it indoor or take it out wherever you're working at. The overall build quality is also excellent, and it fits nicely in your hand. Don't forget, it also comes with the accessories, shield, and a carrying case. At the time of this review, you can get this rotary tool for $43, which is a great price for a tool like this. If you want to pick one up, I'll include the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click on a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to support this channel. Also click on the notification bell so you'll get notified of my new videos. Thank you and have an awesome day.